Hello and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to be showing you a little project that we did recently where we're going to be recycling a 5-gallon water container and using the 6 strawberry plants there, as you can see. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to get yourself a drill and you want to drill 2 holes in 3 sides of the water container and some room at the top there so you can get your hands in. As you can see there's the holes at the side and some holes at the bottom to allow for drainage. Because you can see our hole at the top there was a little jagged, so we had to file that down to allow for easy access, as I say, to put the strawberries in and also to feed them. There's another angle from one of the sides. So first of all you want to put some soil in the bottom, then the first layer of strawberry plants. You see that's the first layer at the bottom there. Add a bit more soil, your second lot of strawberry plants, and then a bit more soil on top, as you can see there, that's it completed. Yeah, so this is a very easy and effective way of recycling an old water container there if you have anything like that lying about. And with the strawberries going out on the sides like that, they'll be very easy to pick as well.